Hey everyone, I thought I'd share a tip with you guys. So I'm doing the filling in all the sink marks on the bottom of the chassis, and I think it was David Thibodeau that had pointed this tip out. So if you use some Tamiya liquid surface primer, and let me zoom in here a little bit. See that big nasty fill mark right there? Just take a little bit of primer, an old brush, and just fill that bastard right in right there. Just a nice even coat, and let it dry. Then sand it with 600 grit, and if you need to, put another coat on it, but it makes it nice and smooth, and then you can go into primer. But I found on the body that there was some places where, like on the back here, it showed a low spot on this side of the body. So I sanded all those out. Look how much that was low on this body. So that'll be smooth. And on the front, these are all low spots here. I still haven't sanded those out yet. Low spots here, and then here and here. And these I have sanded, but those are the low spots on the body. And I think it'll be a smooth body once I finish sanding all those out. But I just thought I'd share the tip with you. I guess it's time for an update, you guys. I mixed some dark yellow from Tamiya with some tan and got this ugly brownish color to represent the fiberglass parts. So the backs of the seats, the top of the engine cover, this intake, and these intakes here. I'll mask off this part that I painted the tan and paint the rest of the engine color, sort of a magnesium color. They say to use dark gray metallic, but I think that I want to make it more metallic-y, so I'll use a metallizer for that. As you can see, I masked off the back of the seats. These are going to be red, so I'll put another coat of primer there where the painting stick was. Paint those red. The body has been painted with some white primer, 2 coats of white primer and 2 coats of gloss white from Tamiya. I just wanted to get a nice base color down for the decals to stick to, and then once I get the decals on, then I will clear coat the whole thing. But the whole back of the body here, the whole bottom of the chassis is done. This goes underneath the hood for the intake for the hood. This is the engine covers these little trumpets. We'll go through here through some mesh. This is for the passenger compartment. It goes between the roof. The body, I masked it off last night for the red stripes. I hand laid the stripes out with the flexible tape. See, it's coming loose just a little bit right there, so I better hurry up and paint this red. I'm going to shoot a couple coats of red over where the stripes go, and the rest of the body is masked off here, ready to go. Here's the hood, but I hope this turns out good. Stripes all line up. Did a lot of masking last night, so I'll see you guys in the paint booth. All right, let's pull the tape and see what happens.